We are studying importance of international trade, and in previous video I have explained importance of foreign exchange through international trade. In this video we shall discuss another importance of international trade or another benefit of international trade, that is allocation of resources. International trade helps us to allocate world resources optimally, rationally. International trade encourages the optimal use of world resources. It helps the entire world in making the best use of natural resources, mineral resources, or human resources available on this planet. You know that some countries are gifted with abundance of natural and mineral resources. Some countries are gifted these natural and mineral resources so much that it is more than enough for them. And international trade will help to make the best use of such abundantly given natural and mineral resources. I'll give some examples. India is gifted with iron ore, Arabians are gifted with petrol. These two countries are having these minerals more than what they require. They have huge surplus of these two mineral resources. If international trade does not take place, what will happen? Iron ore in India will be underutilized. It will be wasted away because India has iron ore more than what it requires. If there is no international trade, the iron ore that we have in the country will be misused or underutilized. It will not be used. On the contrary, if Arabians do not enter into international trade, whatever petrol reserves they have, that will be underutilized. And thus, only domestic trade will lead to misallocation or wrong allocation of world resources. Because international trade is taking place, it is helping some countries to make the best use of their natural and mineral resources. Thereby, international trade is helping the entire world in making the optimal or the best use of world resources. So